Hi everyone, we're experienced at the New York Hall of Science.
Hi everyone, I'm Anne. I'm a Media Studies and Human Rights College student and an aspiring filmmaker. I love educational storytelling that helps people build their understanding of the world around them.
And I'm Clementina. I'm also a college student. My studies are in business and corporate communication. I also have a passion for STEM-focused social good causes, particularly animals and the environment. Have you ever gone to the park to just enjoy the fresh air, green space, and outdoor sound? This is called nature bathing. Nature bathing is when you walk into a green area like a park or a forest and take in the atmosphere through all your senses and feel the benefits of nature. It's also referred to as forest bathing or shinrin-yoku, a term used in Japan. Research shows that connecting with nature is linked to many health benefits, both mental and physical, which explains the sense of joy we feel when we go into nature. And this is one of the topics we will explore in our new NYSCI exhibition, The Happiness Experiment. This exhibition explores the experience of happiness and features a dedicated nature bathing exhibit with a tranquil space for re-energizing.
The Happiness Experiment's aim is to expand our understanding of what happiness means to us and the people around us.
Okay, so now let's talk a little more about nature bathing. It just takes a few simple steps to nature bathe. First, look for a green area. It can be a park, a nature preserve, or a trail, or even your backyard. If you're in public, remember to stay safe and aware of your surroundings.
What if you don't have access to an outdoor space?
Plants in your home can be beneficial too. Next, engage all your senses. Actively listen to the sounds happening around you. Appreciate and take in the sights and sounds, and maybe even touch the natural surroundings.
Wow, thanks for that, Clementina. So I want to talk about how we can take some of our nature bathing home with us and how we can create botanical printmaking designs. Nature printmaking is a centuries-old printmaking technique that uses natural objects such as feathers, shells, rocks, and plants to create detailed life-size paintings. While nature bathing, you can carefully and thoughtfully pick out natural objects such as falling feathers or leaves, an interesting looking rock, and some other objects that can be found in nature. For me, I like to be mindful not to cause a disturbance in the environment. That's why I only collect falling items. After we carefully pick out our items, we can safely transport them back home. Now let's get ready to print make. We also need a few more materials like paper or canvases, paint, dabbers, and paintbrushes. You will also need paper plates or something that you can mix paint on. Once all of your materials are ready and laid out, we can get started. The first step is to prepare your paint mixture. You can mix different colors together to create new ones or use the colors that you already have. Next, we're going to take our paintbrushes or dabbers and dip them into our desired paint mixture. Now let's place our object on a piece of scrap paper. If you're using a leaf, place the underside up. This way we can get all the veins and venule patterns. Hold the stem end of your leaf with your finger and dab the paint over the surface. Pick up the leaf by the stem end and place the ink side down on your desired canvas. Place a sheet over it and press the entire leaf with your finger. Be firm but gentle to avoid damaging the leaf too much. Remove the cover sheet, then lift the leaf or object straight up off your paper. Check out your amazing results and make more prints. Test out different color combinations and patterns. Print varieties of leaves, flowers, rocks, and other objects that you can find. Print on paper canvases and other surfaces. There's no limit as to what you can create.
Wow, and that's so fun. I love how there isn't one specific way to do it. It all depends on your creativity and imagination. I think next time I nature bathe, I'll find some inspiration in the leaves and make my own prints. And don't forget to come visit us at the Happiness Experiment at NYSCI. We've put some links to check out more in the description. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a huge thumbs up. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.